How do I download Univision Now on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to download Univision Now on your Samsung Smart TV. If you're a fan of Univision's amazing content and want to enjoy it on your big screen, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get Univision Now up and running on your Samsung Smart TV. So, let's get started.
Checking compatibility.
Before we proceed, let's make sure your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with the Univision Now app. Univision Now is available on Samsung Smart TVs released after 2017. To check if your TV is compatible, please follow these steps. 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. 2. Navigate to the app section of your TV's home screen. 3. Search for Univision Now using the on-screen keyboard. 4. If you find the Univision Now app listed and available for download, congratulations! Your TV is compatible. If not, unfortunately, your TV may not support the Univision Now app.
Downloading and installing Univision Now.
Assuming your Samsung Smart TV is compatible, let's move on to downloading and installing the Univision Now app. 1. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. 2. On your TV's home screen, navigate to the Apps section. 3. Look for the App Store on your TV, which is typically called Samsung Smart Hub or Samsung Apps. 4. Launch the App Store and search for Univision Now using the on-screen keyboard. 5. Select the Univision Now app from the search results. 6. On the app page, click on the Download or Install button. 7. Wait for the app to download and install on your TV. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection speed. 8. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Univision Now app in your app section or on your TV's home screen.
Logging in and enjoying Univision Now.
Now that you have Univision Now installed on your Samsung Smart TV, let's go ahead and log in so you can start enjoying all the fantastic content. 1. Launch the Univision Now app from your Apps section or home screen. 2. On the app's welcome screen, you'll see the option to sign in. 3. Using your remote control, navigate to the Sign In option and select it. 4. A screen will appear asking for your Univision Now login credentials. 5. Using the on-screen keyboard, enter your email address and password associated with your Univision Now account. 6. Once you've entered your login details, select the Sign In or Login button. 7. Congratulations! You are now logged in to Univision Now on your Samsung Smart TV. You can explore all the available content, including live TV, shows, movies, and more. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Univision Now on your Samsung Smart TV. Now you can immerse yourself in the exciting world of Univision's incredible programming right from the comfort of your own living room. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy watching Univision Now on your Samsung Smart TV, and have a fantastic day.